Introduction to Neuro-Somatic Mindfulness, NSM. A modern path to awakening. Neuro-Somatic Mindfulness, NSM, is a deeply integrated, science-backed approach to meditation that uniquely combines neuroscience and mindfulness. The aim is to help individuals access heightened states of awareness by aligning both mind and body. Whether you're new to meditation or a seasoned practitioner, NSM opens up fresh, deeper experiences of mindfulness that are more accessible and rewarding. Why NSM is a game-changer. Mindfulness typically focuses on cultivating awareness through attention, whether to breath, body, or environment. But NSM goes beyond that. It encourages a somatic, body-based approach to mindfulness, meaning the practice isn't just in your head, it's about how you experience and feel it within your body. Instead of simply observing thoughts or focusing on the breath, NSM invites you to connect directly with your physical sensations. This shift from thinking about the body to feeling it helps in grounding you in the present moment more fully. Through this process, you can experience greater stability and deeper realization in meditation. The power of mind-body connection. When we practice mindfulness, we often struggle with distractions. Our minds wander, and we might judge ourselves for it. In NSM, we acknowledge this as natural. Instead of being hard on ourselves, we gently bring our attention back to our object of focus, such as the breath or body sensations. This repeated return helps cultivate self-compassion, non-judgment, and curiosity, all essential for personal growth. Pro tip: each time your mind wanders, treat it as an opportunity for self-compassion. This builds emotional resilience, which is crucial for long-term mindfulness success. Why focus on the body? The body is always present, making it a perfect anchor for mindfulness. Whether it's focusing on your breath, feeling your muscles, or tuning into your heartbeat, the body gives us real-time feedback about our state of being. And unlike abstract concepts, the body is easy to access. It's always with you. Useful insight. Studies have shown that focusing on bodily sensations can enhance emotional regulation and reduce stress. This means the more you tune into your body during mindfulness, the better equipped you are to handle life's challenges. Exploring body awareness. The difference between conceptual and direct experience. One common pitfall in mindfulness practice is mistaking thoughts about the body for actual direct experience. For instance, when you think, "my leg hurts," that's a concept of your leg's pain. But with NSM, you are invited to feel the sensation itself, free from labels or analysis. This shift, from thinking about the body to directly experiencing it, opens the door to profound clarity. You move from experiencing a conceptual body to what Fleetmore calls the body-body, a raw, unfiltered experience. Key tip: the next time you meditate, try distinguishing between what you think you're experiencing and what you're actually feeling. This fine-tuning will make your practice more authentic. Engaging both external and internal awareness, NSM encourages heightened exteroception, external awareness, and interoception, internal awareness. By paying attention to both the outer world, such as touch on your skin, and the inner world, like heartbeats and breathing, you get a fuller picture of your body state in any given moment. Fun fact: the default mode network, DMN, of your brain tends to overthink and create stress. NSM helps activate the task-positive network, TPN, which enhances focus and reduces mind wandering. This creates a shift from chaotic thinking to calm presence, developing internal biofeedback. Without external tools, NSM builds on the principles of biofeedback, the idea that we can regulate bodily functions, like heart rate or brain waves, through awareness. Typically, biofeedback involves external devices, but in NSM, you train yourself to regulate through direct awareness alone, tapping into a natural neurobiofeedback loop. Extra insight: practicing NSM can lead to more parasympathetic nervous system activation, which is your body's rest and restore mode. Over time, this reduces stress and boosts recovery, making you more resilient. From mindful awareness to pure being, one of the unique aspects of NSM is its capacity to move practitioners from mindfulness, observing, into direct experience, and then into pure being. As you deepen your practice, the separation between the observer and what is being observed melts away. You stop observing the breath and start being the breath. Pro tip: as you advance in your practice, notice when you are observing versus experiencing. Over time, aim to dissolve the barrier between you and your experience to unlock deeper states of non-dual awareness. The healing power of neurosomatic mindfulness. When we drop into pure being through NSM, the body's innate ability to self-regulate takes over. This can lead to profound healing, not just physically, but emotionally and mentally as well. By allowing the body to rest in a state of pure awareness, we can access a deep sense of well-being and peace. Health tip: neuroscience research has shown that mindfulness practices like NSM can literally rewire the brain, improving areas related to focus, memory, and emotional regulation. Final takeaway: an embodied approach for lasting change, NSM, is not just about the mind or body in isolation. It's about bringing the two together in a harmonious, deeply embodied way. The practice starts with the physical sensations, but leads to emotional healing, mental clarity, and ultimately, spiritual awakening. By integrating NSM into your daily routine, you'll find that your mindfulness practice becomes richer, more fulfilling, and far more effective at promoting lasting personal growth.